Market store. This is move number 7 for the master bartender. It's called 720 shoulder to tin. What we're going to need is a mixing tin and a bottle. What we're going to do is throw it 720 degrees over my right shoulder and attempt to catch it in the tin, like so.
Whilst keeping your eye on the bottle at all times, throw it over your shoulder and face the neck of the tin towards the base of the bottle.
Okay, move number 8 is called the shoulder switch. This is for master bartender level. For this we're going to need a mixing tin and your spirit bottle. What I'm going to attempt to do is throw the bottle 540 degrees in front of me whilst throwing the tin over my shoulder, like so.
This is 2 moves performed together. Release both the bottle and the tin simultaneously, catching both bottle and tin in the hands they were thrown from.
Okay, move number 9 is called the 1080 tin flick. This is for master bartender level. Your equipment you will need is a mixing tin and your spirit bottle. What I'm going to do is, from going from a pour and holding the tin with my thumb on the bottle, is flick the tin 180 degrees and catch it behind my back, like so.
Ensure that the pour spout lands directly into the neck of the tin. Then bring the tin and bottle forward, down in front of you. Release the tin so that it spins and is called upright beside the side of your head in one continuous move.